Yes, sir. Look good?
Yeah. Yep.
Let's see about that.
Doesn't look done to me.
The part we did today.
Oh.
Here it's still working.
Thought I was coming over to see a surprise.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, that does look good. Did you count how many flakes it was?
Start over.
We were guaranteed it was 1,200 flakes.
You got 2/3 of a gallon in that right there.
I'm not good with graphs and
Probably
equations.
a couple thousand.
Couple thousand.
Yeah.
All right.
Over delivered.
Over delivered.
Over-delivered.
All right. Good. They sell it by the pound.
Yeah. You got probably.
How many flakes to a pound?
Yeah, I don't know.
You probably got 18 pounds left.
Great. We could throw a heck of a confetti party.
You could.
That's looking good. So here's our bathroom floor. Don't walk on it. Christian, stop. Now, if we had a bathroom that this led to, we'd be in good shape, but currently we don't. Told Christian originally this was going to be his office because he sits near the bathroom now. So I said this was going to be his desk, and that's where that's going to be his private office with the bathroom access. Not much more happened over here. No magical framing got done, but we did get it cleaned up a little bit. We do have electrical sockets. That's about it. Did you go by Woodpecker? No. He took a long lunch break. He took a long lunch break. So we're going to strip this off to get the gold sealing back. Hope that's not too flashy for some people when they look in here. Yeah. I think when Picasso did it, it was originally gold. Yeah, Picasso. All right? Is that who it was?
Yeah.
Caesar.
No.
Is this the real Caesar Palace? Does Caesar live here? I think Caesar lived here. All right. Well,
You gonna get that up and running?
it does work.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yep. So, thanks, guys. That's your update for today. Now we get back to actually regularly scheduled program.